Okay, guys, so me and my brother Mac. 1 minute. Okay, so basically today we are going to be doing get ready with me. So get ready with me for bed. So let's get to it. But I'm gonna do it 2 times speed, so it's just easier.
Okay, Max, so first we are going to work on our faces, okay? Some special skin stuff.
Okay, and the last thing, if you watched the end of the video, please comment made it to the end, and also comment if you want more videos like these. And he's still up, so pray. Okay, good night, guys.